Hey, it is finally time to start using our Adobe software. But before you can use it, you have to be able to find it, and you might have to install it. So let's just take a look and see what's going on here, and let me show you where to do all of those things. When you log into your computer, you're going to come land on the desktop. Come down here to the Windows button. When you open it up, you're going to see all of the apps and software that is installed on your device. Lucky for us, Adobe starts with A, so it's up here at the top. Hopefully, you already see it. Either Adobe Illustrator if you're in my desktop class, or Adobe Photoshop if you're in my photography class. If you see it, all you have to do to get into it is just click it. It'll open up for you. It does take it a second to open up because it's a pretty heavy program. But if you don't see it, what do? First step is right here where it says Adobe Creative Cloud. You might also see it over here on your desktop. So we're just going to click into Adobe Creative Cloud. It's going to take you to this sign-in page. You already have a sign-in. On your device, you have a sign-in. All you have to do is continue with Google. It's going to take its sweet time because, why not? Then it's going to ask you to sign in. I believe my password has changed since that. When you sign in, yes, update that, you're all set. That's what it's going to tell you, right? Then it's going to come bring up all of these apps. Okay, so whenever this loads up, you're going to see all kinds of stuff. Welcome back. Yeah, thanks, Done. You want to come into the apps. When you come into apps, you're going to see the ones that are installed on your device. You might not have any installed on your device. Yours might look more like this. If it looks more like this, you're going to need to come down here and you're going to need to find Adobe Illustrator. Goodness, we don't need that. Come down here, find Adobe Illustrator and try to find Adobe Photoshop. Mine have already been installed, so I don't need to do that, but you might have to. And if you see your Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, you just click the install. It will download it onto your device. You also, if it is installed, you might double check to make sure that it's up to date. So right here where it says up to date, if it says needs update, you can run that update by clicking the little button to do so, and you'll have the newest version with all of the newest things, like, for example, those new fonts that it was telling us about. All right, you can open it from here if you want to, or once it's installed, you can come back out, close all of this stuff down. Maybe, there we go. And you can come back to the start menu and you should be able to find it from there and open it up. All right, I hope that you now have a better understanding of where to find those Adobe apps.